All right, let's do a little test run here. See if this works. Hello everyone, this is Jan, and you are watching the making of a little video game called Escape from Techtropolis. I am trying to pick up where I left off last week when I finally managed to upload a new devlog, and I told you guys, instead of working on the big 3 levels that I have, where you can walk around, camera follows you around, I'm going to pivot a little bit to help speed up the process of making games, and then instead of making big levels, I'm going to make small arcade style puzzle levels that are single screen, one after the other. And so in the space of a week, I managed to get up to about 5 or 6. And now I'm just trying to have a little fun putting them on a map. So looking at where the exits are, I added these alleyways to denote how you continue to the next level. And then, of course, I ran into the problem of, well, in this one right here, let's put that up. You could exit here, you should exit there, and then you can enter here and there. But then that breaks, of course, the puzzle I've so far set up, right? So maybe, let's say you enter this level where you should, where the game start is. So you're here, you make your way through, you get the key, you open the door, and now this is available as an entrance. So how am I gonna keep track of all this? How am I gonna save these states of each level that is only a single screen? I haven't quite figured that out, have I?
Okay, let me just show you a little bit more of the tweaking in detail. Here we go. We have here level 5. So version 1, we had level 5 in the middle because I felt like there's entrances and exits to the level. Here, bottom right, bottom left, top left. But that would break the challenge level, as I was explaining earlier. So in version 2, keep it as simple as possible. So we're further simplifying the gameplay, which is a good thing. Can I zoom in? Yes, of course I can. So level 4, same problem. I want to keep it linear and easy. So I added an exit here that goes to 5. This one also goes to 5. But this one is harder to get to, so this will be more of a challenge for the observant player. So this one should be this. Okay. So now, as you can see here, I have, this is the intended exit of the challenge level, but I'm going to put it over here. Unless level 6 will have opening. I haven't made level 6 yet. Yeah, that might work. And again, let's go with what I've been doing. We'll just make it this the flow of the challenge level. Okay. Let's close that one. We'll already put this in place, as you can see. Let's see, let's just make sure this all lines up. There's the exit, a little bit closer. Goes to 6, save. 6. Okay, so level 6, we have some housekeeping. The text render in the level, because I forget. 6. Then the blueprint of the level, the name of the level has to be changed to 6. This is to make sure that when you hit, oh no, I froze it. When you hit restart, it actually works. Okay, first force quit of the day. E6, oh, it did save. Close that one. So now we have, okay, this is basically level 1 again. Okay, let's do a little play test. Let's see if the levels connect. So this is my level 1. I think it looks a little too crowded, a little too dangerous. Might have to fix that up. Got the key. All right, let's go to level 2. Level 2. There we go. It says level 2 in the level itself. Very handy. So just have a little fun here, platforming. Remember putting a light here. It's gone. Oh. I can bypass the key. Sometimes it gets mangled up. Okay, we made it through the door, going through the exit to level 4. That's working. Okay, this is unfortunate. The level is not quite showing correctly. Sorry. Okay. All right, level 4. The key got cut off over there. Okay, so I could either go like this. Get that key, visible wall. Is it working? Good. Okay. That's it. This is level 5. Bright red light for the key. 2 exits. Level 6. Same as level 1. And it's working. Nice. Okay, 6 levels lined up, working. Now, how do we see? Alright, time to think about the next step.
Until then, nope, and nope, and nope, and nope, definitely nope, and nope, nope, and nope. Probably never